Würth presents Time-Sert, the thread renewal system from Würth. Time-Sert is an exclusive product from Würth. The highly effective Time-Sert system is based on a special threaded steel insert which is used to replace the damaged thread. The hole is prepared for the insert with specific tools provided with the system and kept in a practical case: drill bit, seat cutter and tap. To show you just how quick and easy the Time-Sert system is, we'll repair a damaged thread in a demonstration workpiece. During the following sequences, you'll see how Time-Sert provides an effective solution to the problem of damaged threads. We have deliberately damaged the thread in this aluminium demonstration workpiece by over-tightening the bolt, and this is the result. The thread is now completely ruined, and we need to perform a repair to restore its original mechanical strength. This is where the Time-Sert system comes in. We use a drill fitted with the bit provided to drill out the old thread. The hole is cleaned out with compressed air or using the Würth blower bottle to remove any swarf left over from drilling. We now fit the special seat cutter to the tapping handle and the seat is cut. This recess will ensure that the insert locates perfectly. Another blast of air. The hole for the insert is almost ready now. All we need to do now is cut a new thread with the tap provided, again fitted onto the tapping handle. A little oil to prevent excessive friction from building up. We recommend cleaning the tap every 2 or 3 turns for best results. The hole is now ready for the Time-Sert insert. Screw in the insert by hand. Then we use the special insertion tool, after lubricating the end of the tool itself, to screw the threaded Time-Sert insert into the new hole. The Time-Sert insert is self-locking, as the lower turns of the thread automatically mold to the workpiece as we tighten. The semi-finished insert threads adhere to the walls of the hole, solidly locking the insert into place. This ensures the stability of the insert, holding it in position even when unscrewing bolts. A collar at the end of the insert ensures that it locates perfectly into the hole and flush with the surface. The quick and easy repair job is now finished. The thread has been perfectly restored. We can now fit a bolt and tighten forcefully all the way to the end of the thread. The original mechanical strength of the threaded hole has been restored. The Time-Sert thread repair system can be used on aluminium, light alloys, steel and cast iron. Let's go over the tools we used to repair the thread again. We started off with a completely ruined thread. We drilled out the old thread with a drill, used the seat cutter to cut a recess for the insert collar, cut a new thread with the tap provided, and then fitted the Time-Sert insert with the special insertion tool. At the end of the job, we have a thread that's as good as new. Easy, isn't it? This real-life example will help really appreciate just how effective the Time-Sert system is. While refitting an aluminium engine block, the thread fails after the mechanic applies too much tightening torque. The thread is ruined, and we need to renew the thread in order to tighten the cover plate correctly. As you'll see in the following sequence, the procedure is quick, easy and effective. Let's see how it's done. Drill out the old thread, cut the collar seat, blow out the swarf, Tap the hole, remembering to lubricate and clean the tap every 2 to 3 turns. Lubricate the insertion tool and screw in the Time-Sert insert. The repair is complete, and it only took a few moments. We can now safely fit the cover plate and tighten the bolt. The engine block has been completely repaired and can be used in all conditions. Need to repair a thread? Time-Sert is the solution. The applications in which the Time-Sert thread repair system can be used are practically endless. Cars, industrial vehicles, heavy equipment of all types, agricultural machinery, machine tools, motorcycles, bicycles, and many, many more. The Time-Sert system is easy, fast, and reliable.